Hi guys, today my students and I worked on place value and how you can use place value to help you with addition and subtraction. So first of all, when we were talking about place value, we were talking about ones, tens, and hundreds. There are, as a rule, there are 10 ones in 110, and there are 10 tens in 100. If you wanted to go on, there's 10 hundreds in 1000, but we're not going to review thousands today. But you get the point. There is 10 of everything in the one that's less. So the ones is one place value less than 10, so there would be 10 to make 110. There would be 10 ones to make 110. Now you might be wondering, how is this useful? Well, when you have addition and subtraction sentences, you can use these facts to your advantage. For example, let's say I had the problem 79 plus 21, and I didn't want to write it down like this and draw the line, and then because that takes a while, and if you're in a math competition or if you're just in a rush, you can't afford to waste time. So they're using the concept of place value. We can solve this problem more efficiently and definitely a lot faster. So what I like to start with is the tens. So in the tens column, using place value, we have the 7 and we have the 2. So we can't really do 7 plus 2 because that gets us the number 9. And that won't really work because is it 90? Is it 900? Is it 9? Is it 0.9? We have no idea. So by using the concept of the 10 ones and the 110 and the 10 tens and the 100, we're able to know that since there is a zero, since the 7 and the 2, since they are the first number in the sequence and that there are only two numbers, we know that they have to be in the tens. So instead of 7 plus 2, we're basically doing 70 plus 20. And those numbers might seem very big, but an easy way to do them is just to do 7 plus 2 and then add a 0 at the end. So now we know that 70 plus 20 is 90. But we also need to solve the second part of the problem, which is the 9 plus 1. Now with this, we know that the 9 and the 1 fall into the ones category because they come after the tens. They're the last number in these two numbers. So what we would do is pretty simple. We can just do 9 plus 1, and 9 plus 1 would get us 10. We don't have to add a 0 at the end because we're dealing with ones and not tens. Now the last step is to just add 90 and 10 together, which is 100. Another way that you could approach this problem would be this. After a while, you come to know that 7 plus 3 equals 10, or that 70 plus 30 equals 100. It's just drilled into your brain after doing so many math problems in school. So if we know that 70 plus 30 is 100, let's look at the difference. So 70 plus 30, and we got 79 plus 21. So if we're comparing 70 and 79, we can see that the difference is plus 9, or just 9. And if we're comparing 30 and 21, we can see that the difference is also 9, but I'm going to put it as minus 9. So when you have minus 9 and plus 9, they cancel out each other. So you know that 79 plus 21 will get you the same answer as 70 plus 30, which is again 100. Now, this might not be a strategy that you'd use for every equation because this is a special set of numbers, but it's really good to check your work. Thank you. Bye. I hope you learned something today.